Hello, teachers, and welcome to Teacher Love's Corner. I'm Teacher Love, and today I'm going to show you how to create a simple, engaging, interactive PowerPoint game that surely your kids will enjoy. Now, let's begin. Okay, let's open your PowerPoint. Let's open a new blank presentation. So as you can see, this is not a standard PowerPoint game size. So let's go to design. Let's go to slide size and let's change it to standard. There you go. And let's just highlight everything. Delete that text box. Okay. Now let's make a background for this slide. I'm going to create a flower matching activity or game. So the student will see a different colored flowers. All they have to do is to match the same words to it. So they have to read the color words. So now let's choose insert picture. So from a file, I usually already prepared a folder of all the cliparts that I'm going to use for my PowerPoint example. So it's going to be flowers. So I made a folder, my desktop, but the background is not there. So I have to go to my external. I have here, yes, Clipart folders. So everything that I'm going to use in this PowerPoint games are free. The backgrounds, the cliparts, everything's free. All the cliparts I got are from Teachers Pay Teachers. So I'm going to link it below the video. So in case you want to copy the picture or find the cliparts, I'm going to use this one, background. And then make sure to apply to all. So every time you insert a new game, or a new slide, you already have a background. Okay. So this PowerPoint game is just simple. So I'm just gonna show you the simplest way to create. So remember that the first slide will always be the cover page. So here you'll find the start button and the title of the game. So let's create now. Let's insert. Let's go to desktop and flower. Yes. Oh, I'm going to use Cliparts from EduClips. Her Cliparts are the cutest. And then let's make a smaller one, just like that. And then let's put a frame or a banner for our title. Let's match it with the pink one, okay? Let's resize it. That's it. And now let's put a text box. Click it. So this is going to be flower color match. So let's highlight, Control A. Let's change the font to Comic Sans. Make it bold. Put it to center and increase the font size. Let's drag it inside. That's too big, so let's make this a little bit bigger. Let's put the clipart front. Okay. I think that's it for our title. Now let's create the start button. Let's change the shape fill to white, the shape outline to black, and let's make the weight to 6. And then text box, let's type start. Control A, change it to black color font again, Comic Sans, bold, and increase size. There you go. So that's our first slide. Next, let's move to our second slide. So let's insert a flower clip art. Pink. Let's move it here. And then let's just go back and copy this one so that we won't, create one. All we have to do is just copy and paste. That's your friend there. Make it 3 options. It's up to you how many options you want. Usually I like to create just 3 options. Highlight and a little bit up. Maybe here. There you go. There you have it. So that's going to be our multiple choices. So let's change, highlight again and type the color words that you want. So let's say it's going to be blue, orange, and pink. Those are our options already. And we will also include a instruction. So let's say, make it a little bit smaller. Okay, let's say the instruction is look at the flower and click on the correct match the flower. Click on the correct color word. So this will be our instruction. So with this, let's copy 2 more slides of this. Make sure that we have 3. Click on the side, Control C and Control V. 1, 2. So the second slide will be the instruction. And then the third slide is going to be the correct slide. And the fourth slide will be the wrong answer. So click on the third slide. Let's insert the correct or the happy sticker. One. So this sticker will appear when the student will get the correct answer. And then with that, let's insert an arrow. We need an arrow to direct the kid to the next slide. Okay. A little bit smaller, maybe. So now let's put an animation. Let's go to Animations tab. Add animation. Let's go to More Entrance. So I like to use Grow and Turn. So click on that. Okay, and then for the arrow, More Motion Path. Click on Right. Okay. So as you can see here from below, you'll drag the arrow where you want it to stop. For me, that will be it. And then not only that, let's click on the sticker. Let's change it to with previews. So that means every time when the kid click on the pink word, the sticker will appear together with the previous slide. And then we wanted the arrow to appear after the sticker will appear. There you have it. So let's click this, both of them, the sticker and the arrow, Control C again, and paste it to the fourth slide. but this is the wrong slide. So let's change the sticker to sad face. Sad face. There you go. So no need for you to do the animation because as soon as we copied the clip art, it has already the animations you can see on the side here. Now we already have the cover page, the question page, the correct answer page, and the wrong page. Now it's time for us to put the hyperlinks. So let's go back to the first slide. Let's click the start. So let's imagine that when the kid click on this button, that means it will go to the first slide that you want. So as you can see here, the first slide is slide number 2. So click on the box, right click, go to hyperlink, go to place in this document. So slide 2. Make sure if it's correct. You can see the image of the slides here as well. Okay. Now, since it will direct it here, all we have to do is to put also the hyperlinks in this text box. So first things first, find the correct answer first. Okay, so that is a very important thing. So correct answer is pink. Click on the text box pink, right click, hyperlink, and remember the third slide with a happy face is the correct answer. So click on the slides 3. There you have it. And the rest of the text box, the blue and the orange, are the wrong answers. So that means we'll direct it to the 4th slide with the sad face. So I click on it, hyperlink, and go to slide 4. Click on it, and the orange one as well. There you go. Now, so let's imagine, let's do the slideshow. So flower color match. Start. Click on the correct color word. So let's pretend we don't know. So let's say blue. See? The sad face will appear. Okay? And then let's try one more time. If it's correct, pink, then the happy face sticker will appear. Perfect. But one important tip. We have to go to slideshow. Let's present first. As you can see, when the kid sometimes doesn't see or just click on the sides, everything's up here. And that's the thing that we don't want to happen to our game, or else it will ruin it. So all we have to do is we have to go to slideshow, go to setup slideshow, and let's click on the browsed full screen. This one. Click OK. So what will happen after we click on that slideshow? So if the kids click on the sides, it will not go to the other presentation slide. But if you click on only the start button with the hyperlink, that's the only time our presentation will direct us to the next slide. Example like this one, blue. That's it. Can't go to other slide. And see, the arrow's there because we haven't put a hyperlink on it. So the next step is let's put hyperlinks on our arrow. So click on your arrow. So the next means we'll make another slide. We'll direct it to the new slide, okay? So let's say this is our last page. So we can put it here. Good job. Good job. Let's pretend that's the last page, okay? So let's click on the arrow again, hyperlink it to slide 5. And then on the wrong side, let's bring it back to the second slide or the first instruction. So hyperlink it to 2. Okay, that's it. Before we move, let's save our work. Always remember to save your work. I like to save my PowerPoint game with a specific folder, example, the flowers. So always remember, so for me to remember where I put all my presentations. So flower matching words. Save. Go. Always save your work. And let's go back and let's start if everything works well. Start, blue, wrong. See, let's go back to the first instruction. So orange again, if it's the correct answer. There you have it, and then click. Good job. So this is how you create a simple interactive game. So it's up to you if you add more slides with the different colored flowers, or you can change the clip arts that you want. You can change the multiple choices. It's up to you.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook page.